Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is really a flagship smartwatch from Samsung or not? In this video, let's find out. Also, I have an amazing design from Yosash watch faces that is available for giveaway, so don't forget to check it out. First, talking about the build quality. Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is made up of titanium. It's lightweight and more strong than stainless steel on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Watch 5 Pro is around 46 grams in weight, while Watch 6 Classic is around 52 grams in weight for the 47mm model. Second thing is the absence of route tracking feature with Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, because this time Samsung has used a bit smaller battery. Therefore, route tracking that is used for cycling and hiking with preloaded GPX files isn't available with Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. For some people it matters, while for some it does not. But the thing that matters the most is battery life. Watch 5 Pro has a massive 592 mAh battery, while Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm model has a 425 mAh battery. While Samsung has used a new processor, but still Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will outlast Galaxy Watch 6 in battery life. So these were some things that you should keep in mind while buying the new Galaxy Watch. Okay, now moving on to the watch face design. This is D355, a Ferrari style sporty watch face from Yosash that you can grab right now for a discounted price. Also, I'm giving away many free coupons for this face, so just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Here we have our time shown in analog format with a cool looking background that has a Ferrari logo right here. This side shows our sunset sunrise indicator, and here is our step counter with heart rate monitor. Talking about customization, you can change a lot of colors with this face. Like first you can change the color of information highlighted here. Then you can change background color like this. After that you can change color with needles of hour, minutes and seconds. And in the end we have few settings for complications. So this is D355 from Yosash. Check it out, and that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.